Hey guys, it is Wednesday evening and I'm going to do notes with you really quick. There's not much to know about the slope-intercept form, but I'm going to do notes with you guys so you guys can visually see what I'm talking about. And then I am going to do one more worksheet with you guys today, and I will do the other two tomorrow. So here we go. Let's do the notes. So we have y equals, so this is called slope-intercept form. Let's start with the title here. Slope-intercept. So if you are going to Google it, this is what you're going to look for. Slope-intercept form. And your base form is y equals m, then it's x, plus, let's do purple, like colors, plus b, okay? And then all this means, all you really need to know is the b and the m. That's why I put them in color, all right? So your m is known as, m is equal to the slope, and b is equal to the y-intercept. So what that means is where the point hits the y line. So like I was trying to tell you guys yesterday, obviously you couldn't see it because I'm just like ranting on the video, but the y-intercept, so this is y, equals that number, okay? So whatever this number b, or this format is, this is the b, is gonna be where the y goes on the graph. M is the slope. M is how many we go up, and how many we go across, or how many down, and how many across. Okay, so let me give you one example using the same format. So y equals m, we're going to do it as just a normal number, 3x. Let me do another, I need black. Plus, and then let's do a number 1. Okay, so y equals 3x plus 1, where m, right, equals 3, because these are all the same. M and this number next to the x is the same. They're all the slope. And 1, or b, equals 1, or our y-intercept. So on the graph, remember, y to the sky and x, when we see this, they're giving us this, we're going to start with this number. Let me do that one in red. We're going to start here because that's b, which b is y. So what that means is that on the y line, we are going to look for the number 1, which let's just do this. So it's going to be here, right? Y equals 1, positive 1. And then just draw these out really fast. They're telling us the slope is 3. So let me pick a different color. Remember I told you guys in class that every number has a what? Imaginary 1 under it. So this is actually 3 over 1, which means our slope is 3 over 1. So when I go to graph or plot my slope, I'm going to go up 3 because it's positive, 1, 2, 3, and then over 1. We can also go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1. At that point, oh, my line's going to suck because I'm holding the phone at the same time. We connect our lines. So because the slope is positive, and that's what I'm going to explain on the worksheet, our slope is also positive. So this is like an uphill, right? Think of your mountains. Remember in class, I would make you guys do your hands like this. So if it's lined up with your left hand, it's going in a positive direction. If it lines up with your right hand, it's going in a negative direction. So let me put this down really fast. So if it helps, plus and minus, draw the plus and the minus accordingly. Minus goes on the right hand, plus goes on the left hand. So the rise is plus because this is a plus. There's no negatives here. This is a plus, so we're graphing it on the pluses. Remember, this is plus. This is plus. These are all negatives. These are all negatives. So just for review, all the negative numbers are here. All the negative numbers are down here. I need a nice different new color. All the positives are up here and all the positives are right here. So this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. These are all -1, -2, -1, -2. So if they are telling you that this is a plus, then you're going to graph it up here. If it's telling you that this number is a minus, like you'll see a negative here, you're going to graph it down here first and then go accordingly. If this is negative, then you know that you have to go up toward the negative side, because you need your hill or your graph to come down this way. I hope this helps, all right? So I'm going to stop the video here, then I'm going to work on the next worksheet.